Okay, how do I make money online? People always ask me how I make money, and I thought I'd just show you some actual screenshots on my phone on different products, different businesses I have. Plus, I'm down here at the beach house in San Diego. I thought I'd give you a behind-the-scenes tour of my life. Like I said, I've never really shown this, but here's today. One of my companies here, $17,384 today alone. Made $715,000 in the last month. This month it sold $17,000. Today it's done $1,300. There's an airplane coming in. Let me give you a tour. And I'm going to share with you 4 simple steps that you can get started making money online today. Now, you're not going to start out making $700,000 a month like I'm doing. It took me a while to build up, but I'm telling you, it's easier to start now than it's ever been, because when I got started, man, if you're not in this game, I'm going to put a button below. You see over there? You see right there? I'm going to be doing a little short talk on my website. You click this, go over to my site, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to put a credit card in. I'm going to show you the 4 ways to get started, if you want, within 24 hours making money online.